Hi, my name is Dan Collette, and we're here at Bentley Truck Services, and this is the 2022i Isuzu NPR XD. The NPR XD is a 16,000-pound GVWR diesel truck, and there's some really nice features about the 2022i that are now available for you here at Bentley. First thing you might want to notice is that it's got LED headlights. Yep, they're standard. And that really lights up the night and gives you even better visibility out of this truck that, thanks to its cab-over design, is known for its great visibility. But that's not all. Come around here and take a look at the cab. We have a new upgraded interior. You see this stuff? This is heavy-duty cloth seating that really stays nice. And the normal features that you could expect out of a Isuzu NPR. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, all standard. Bluetooth radio. Moving back here, we can see some other cool features. Some of them, notice that this has 19.5-inch wheels and tires. That's the difference between the NPR XD and the HD. These tires and wheels, also with their corresponding brake capacity, give you a heavier payload and longer life. Speaking of brake capacity, now the Isuzus come with front and rear disc brakes. That's new for this year. Before you had drum brakes in the back, disc brakes are better. While we're back here, right there is a 33-gallon stainless steel fuel tank. That's right, I said stainless steel. Doesn't rust. Good stuff. Let's take a look at this body. This is a 16-foot by 85 high Morgan body. Meat and potatoes. I spec'd this out with a translucent roof, 2 rows of recessed etrack, and an aluminum walk ramp. This is the way we stock trucks all the time here at Bentley, and we've got them here ready for you. Thank you.